We haven't heard officially. We'd just like to say.
We're waiting to get the official word.
He thinks it's pretty official, though. Christian Eckes, he's comfortable.
He's burning it down, putting on a show.
Enjoy the moment, guys. Enjoy it.
Light them up, aren't we?
This is fun.
Smoke them if you got them.
Jake Blau getting all that action. He's always right in the mix. Cameraman, we've got the best on the job. With all the cameras, how fun is that?
It's fun for everybody but the team owner.
Doesn't get to the top 10, finishes 11th, his best run of the year.
That was a battle for about the 7th spot, wasn't it? Those guys were mixing it up.
Great top 10 for Tanner Gray.
He was strong all night.
Sure was.
List of favorites now, especially with the win, but 3 third-place finishes here. And like I said earlier, 5 out of the last 6, he's been in the top 5.
And when we come back here in the fall,
It's been a while since somebody older than 20-something won a race here at Gateway.
Good for Grant. Holding it down for the veterans of the truck series, you could say.
Look at the fans gathering around Grant's truck.
These fans love it. I mean,
with a 3-lap battle, but they did, and Carson Hocevar is able to celebrate doing those wonderful victory burnouts.
Zane Smith held off Nick Sanchez.
7 races now, he's averaged about 51 points a race. That is so significant.
To transfer into our next round.
Hocevar second.
Held high.
Totally.
He charged right. I mean, he was in position to win the race and gave it all he had. And when he gets out of that truck, it's going to hurt, but he's going to have a smile on his face, I think, because he's going to say, you know, we were there. We had a shot at it.
and he put on a show. That was fun to watch. I mean, he fought to the very end. 22-year-old out of Greenville, New York, Christian Eckes, 4th career win. Career win for Brett Moffitt, the 31-year-old out of Grimes, Iowa.
You mentioned Marcus from Freight Auctions. Freight Auctions on the side of this truck.
Long-time supporter of Brett Moffitt.
Of Brett Moffitt and of Front Row.
That's right.
And of NASCAR. Marcus is a really big fan of the sport. Cool to see him get to celebrate in victory lane. Brett's done burnt the right rear off of him.
Finishing those 3 races, but then did they turn it on in the round of 8?
Duke Thorson decided they needed to put the magic back together. Put Rich Lucius back with his driver Ben Rhodes after winning the championship 2 years ago.
I want to say thank you to Grant for racing us clean at the end, because he could have easily dumped us like everybody else did all night long.
but he races clean. So I'm just grateful.
Congratulations, Rich.
And remember, it was the call by
The
Rich
call of the year.
Lucius.
The
Call of the year 2 weeks ago at Homestead. Brought his driver down, put tires on it, and they fought. They fought their way, and it came down to a tiebreaker between him and Nick Sanchez. It went